Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 26th May 2025. 25th May 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 15, number 18 and number 30. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number first number 9, number 12, number 23, number 34, number 42, booster number 11. UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 7, number 17, number 24, number 27, number 46, booster number 28. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.